In this video, I'll show you how to insert picture in PDF document. Since we cannot insert a picture on a PDF document directly, what we can do as a workaround is to first convert the PDF document into a Word file. The tool I've used for this video is the I Love PDF website. This website offers a lot of different features that will allow you to convert your files into different file formats. So simply click on the PDF document that you want to convert into Word, and then click on that open button at the bottom right of your screen, and then click on this convert to Word button to be able to convert this PDF document to Word. Download the Word file and then go ahead and open Google Docs into your device. So simply open Google Docs into a new tab. On Google Docs, go ahead and click on this blank document to be able to create a new blank document, and in here, wait for this to load. Click on the file button, which you'll find at the tools section at the top left of your screen. Click on open, and then on this pop-up, head over into the upload section. So this will allow you to simply upload the Word file from your local drive. So click on browse and then click on the file that you want to open using Google Docs, and then once this loads, this will be placed onto the blank document that you have in here. So what you can do in here is to simply place the image that you want to insert into your PDF, and then once you're done placing the image in here, you can simply save this file as a PDF. That's basically how you can insert an image on a PDF. So if this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.